Hi, this is Jason Yesser from JasonYesser.com. Welcome to video 3 of my series on video marketing. Now, today's video is going to be about how you can create content for your videos. So if you want to get into video marketing and you're struggling on what to do your videos about, stay tuned to this video. So I get this question a lot. What do I create for my videos? I'm ready to get into video marketing and I don't know what to create content on. Now, if you are thinking about getting into video marketing and you're not doing it yet or you're scared, first of all, you're going to want to watch the first video in this series is why you should be doing video marketing. The second one is how to overcome your fear of video marketing. And now we're going to talk about the content creation part, because people go blank. Finally, you get the you get the guts and say, hey, I'm gonna start making these videos, and you just don't know what to do them on. So here's what I highly recommend you do. Now, I don't know about you, but over my career in this industry, in the marketing industry in general, I have a lot of notes. I take a lot of notes. I've gone to a lot of trainings. I don't know if you've ever gone to a live event and you actually take notes and you have notebooks filled with stuff, or maybe you go to a webinar or whatever it may be. Maybe a one-on-one with somebody and you're just taking notes, or maybe you have a coach. So chances are you have notes somewhere. Maybe you read a book. So you have notes, you have content out there. Now, I'm not saying to go steal this content. I'm not saying to go to a live event, listen to a bunch of stuff this person's saying, and steal their content and just go create it. No. If you're taking content from somebody or utilizing their content, I recommend giving them credit. So if you're watching this video and you decide, hey, I want to make a video and I want to talk about creating content, because I'm sure there's other videos out there, you could take something from what I'm saying and say, hey, by the way, I just watched a video that Jason Yesser just did, and he was talking about how you can create content for your videos, and this is what he said. So you could just pretty much regurgitate information out to your audience. So that's a great way to do it. Now, if you don't have a lot of notes, I'm actually going to put a link under this video. It's going to take you to one of my, it's my favorite marketing system. It's called MLSP. I want you to check it out. And if you don't have a lot of notes, or you don't have a lot of different courses or different videos or anything like that that you can watch and actually learn stuff from, especially about marketing, click the link below after this video so you can check that out. Now, I do want to tell you another thing you can do if you don't have courses and you don't have a bunch of notes from people is you can pull out a self-development book. And it can be like a Tony Robbins book, and you can just be like, hey, I was reading this Tony Robbins book and this is what I came up with. Or maybe you have some experience that you've actually done, your own experiences, like you went and one of your prospects came up to you and they said, I don't have the money to join your business, and you went at that objection, and whatever you said got the prospect to cross over and actually use their credit card on the spot. And you could share that with somebody and turn that into content. So you can leverage a lot of different things to do it. You could go watch a YouTube video and you could just take notes, and you could just notice something. Anything to help somebody out is going to be content. So it could be the smallest things. I know people that will just literally talk about like a quote. Maybe you saw a quote and you're like, wow, that quote, it touched me. I want to share this with somebody. You can do a short video. It doesn't really matter. It could be 30 seconds. It could be 5 minutes. It could be 10 minutes. Whatever you feel like saying on your video, that's what you want to do. So those are just some ways you can do. You can go find content. If you have any questions on other ways to get content, comment below the video. Let me know. And like I said, if you're looking for more content, you're looking to learn a lot more whenever you want on your own time, click the link below this video and find out a little bit more about my marketing system, where I'm learning a lot of ways, where I'm getting leads every day, how I'm learning to grow my business online, how I'm signing people up in different countries with, I don't have to fly there. It all comes down to your marketing. So do that now. Click the link below the video and comment below with your thoughts on what I just said, and really get involved with this video marketing. I got 2 more videos in the series, so get ready for those, and make sure you go watch the first video and the second video if you have not done that. Other than that, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this content. We'll see you next time.